Hello everybody, welcome to Choose a Knife. So we are in summer now, all of a sudden, boom, summer came. And there's a big difference between summer cooking and winter cooking, where in the winter you kind of have to know a little bit what you're doing. In the summer you don't. So kind of a lot of the recipe are very simple, are going to be very simple, and they're all about thinking about flavor and combining flavor. This recipe here, it's called the Roman relatives salad, and I don't have any Roman relatives, but a friend of mine who's Italian American did, and she claimed that every time she went to Rome, they would make her, a relative would make her this salad. Anyway, let me show you. It's very aromatic, delicious. You've got a little bit of rice in it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to chop up very quickly parsley, basil, scallion, mint. And the proportion you can work out a little bit yourself. Oh, and a little bit of celery, like really tender celery with its leaves.
Yeah.
So after we're done with our pesto, with our tritato of herbs, now we're gonna cut a cucumber in little pieces. And remember, every good salad has to have a crunch, which the second statement is no baby green, please. So I like to cut these little rectangles here of cucumber that give a nice little crunch to the salad and makes it respectable, because salad should be respectable, like real food, not mushy, like sad. Sorry, I diverge. And we are done, and now we are gonna bring the true protagonist of this thing, which is our salad and rice. So now we have our mix of romaine and red leaf lettuce. We are gonna add some rice to it. That shouldn't be warm, so cook the night before or even a little earlier. I always have rice sitting around in the summer. Now we put our cucumber in. All our herbs. This is also a great recipe if you have some avocado that is still very firm. The French eat the avocado quite firm. You can just put some slice in it. It's delicious. Then we're going to add lemon. We are going to add salt, and the salt you have to do more than once, and olive oil. And mix it all up. Whoop. We're going to do a second round of salt here. Make sure that the herbs don't fall to the bottom and they're all mixed in. No messy here, it's okay. And we're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, stay cool, choose a knife.
Good.